exciting day. It's a fun day as somebody who helps facilitate. It's very rewarding to see students go out and, they're a little reserved when they leave this morning, but the energy when they come back is just incredible.
I think today will teach me a lot about what it really means to serve and what it means to also learn from that experience.
Artie Has Heart has been a wonderful event. By giving, you also develop an appreciation that you can make a difference no matter what area you go into, and the small things that you can do have a wonderful and very large contribution.
What we're doing is we're building habitats for the burrowing owls, and we're also reinforcing some of the habitats that were already built.
What draws us most to Feed My Starving Children is how wonderfully organized and welcoming they are. The thing that students tend to learn most about this is how much good they can actually do, especially when they work together, so they get a strong sense of teamwork and collaboration, and that'll serve them well going forward.
The thing I think I learned most is just the impact that even 2 hours can make. I didn't realize that little amount of time to me makes such a difference for someone else.
Well, today I am a volunteer here at Wild Horse Ranch Rescue, and I'm here to learn. I think everyone I've met so far is fantastic. Every time they speak about the horse or any animal they're working with, it's just a lot of passion. They know so much about them, and it's encouraging to know that there are people here that are actually helping.
I specifically wanted to work with animals because I just enjoy being around animals. I have a great appreciation for the actual regular volunteer. They don't get paid at all, and they take the time out of their days and lives basically to come here for free to help out and make a difference.